Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna like Subway. Start by choosing canned tuna in oil and drain most but not all oil. Reserve a tablespoon. Finely dice celery and red onion, then add mayonnaise and a squeeze of lemon. Season with salt and black pepper and stir gently to keep chunks intact. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill briefly to let flavors meld before assembling your sandwich. Begin by combining tuna and mayonnaise in a bowl using roughly 3 parts tuna to 1 part mayo. Fold in sweet pickle relish for a gentle tang and texture contrast, then add diced celery for crunch. Season with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to round flavors. Mix just until combined to keep tuna flakes chunky. Chill for 10 minutes to let flavors marry before serving on bread. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is great when you want a crisp, cool scent in your car after grocery runs or sandwich prep. It's a small upgrade that makes driving nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, let me know what you think. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a soft sub roll or long sandwich bread and toast lightly if you prefer warmth and structure. Spread a thin layer of butter or extra mayo to act as a moisture barrier, then pile the tuna mixture evenly down the center. Add shredded iceberg lettuce for crunch and thin tomato slices for freshness. Press the sandwich gently, slice on a diagonal, and serve right away to enjoy ideal texture and balanced flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.